50 aluminum cans. That's about the aluminum you get out of it. That's all slag over there. I was thinking at first that it wasn't even melting. I thought it was just not quite melted all the way, because it was kind of like half melted chocolate, but it was all the slag. So this is legit. Still a little bit soft. Aluminum. Definitely could have casted a fair amount out of that. This is the crucible I made out of a 1 pound propane can, and I have this bar here spring loaded so that it holds itself open, and the little prongs can't, you know, swing out. I just hook this dealie in here, and then I'm able to pour it like so. I put those little bends in the bar in the front so that I can get the crucible up to 90 degrees without leaning the whole thing forward. Still a fair amount of, I guess, slag and hardened aluminum left in the crucible.